Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to pair Bluetooth devices on iPhone. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth. Toggle the button next to Bluetooth to turn it on. If your phone is unable to locate nearby Bluetooth devices, just scroll up to open the control center. Turn off Bluetooth and then turn it on. Now, your phone is able to locate nearby Bluetooth devices. Tap on the name of the device you want to pair. Accept the pair request on both the devices. That's it. Other device is successfully connected with your iPhone. This is how you can pair Bluetooth devices on iPhone. Thank you for watching.